Landing on Breeze and choosing display manager. With your phone call, Royal Air Force University Escorted Experience Flight Order Display, movers outstanding, located in the RF Village, locates rf.uk/choose display 2.
So we're getting the aircraft for our Russian front scenario into the air, starting with the Buchons 303 today because the fourth pilot is released.
TV are producing the official Airshow DVD and Blu-ray. 4 cameras on ground and many of the displays are carrying in-cockpit cameras. Now if you advance order the DVD or Blu-ray today, you get to take away a free DVD called Airshow Action 11, which features over 60 minutes of aviation, including the B-1 Lancer, the B-52 Stratofortress, a 6th ship of Hurricanes in formation here at Duxford, and several in-cockpit special features.
And the 4th Buchon that's out on the flight line, still the 2-seat example. We're here to make that legendary movie, Battle of Britain. We're delighted to welcome to Duxford this weekend a gentleman by the name of Connie Edwards, who's over from Texas. He was one of the movie pilots back in 1968. After the filming was completed, several of the Buchons went to him as part payment for his work on the film. They were taken to his premises at Big Spring in Texas. They spent many years in storage there, perfectly preserved, and it's made their return to flight in recent years.
Buchons are going to be taking with Yaks 3s in a few moments in the skies over Duxford rather than hundreds of skyflights. It seems rather appropriate to play this.
Bead on our representative 109, the 2 Yaks 3s. Getting onto the tail of the Buchons, as would happen with Yaks and BF-109s so often on the Eastern Front. The Yak fighters really among the unsung heroes, one might say, of World War II's main fighter types. The first of them was the Yak 1. That design was modified, made smaller and lighter to create the later Yak 3. When it first appeared, the Yak 3 was more than a match, it soon turned out, for its German contemporaries. Really engaged in combat for the first time at the Battle of Kursk from July to August 1943. The Yak 3 played a major role, and indeed that was a crucial engagement for the Soviets in gaining the upper hand against German forces. It is well known that the Yak 3, very effective in combat it may have been, but it was also short-ranged, and the Yak 3 was primarily used as a low-level fighter rather than for bomber escort missions which were performed in the USSR by the likes of the Bell P-39 Era Cobra, the Lavochkin LA-5 and LA-7 and the Yak 9. Its markings was the Normandy-Yemen Squadron, Regiment de Chasse 3 of the Free French Air Force. It was set up in 1942 after Germany invaded the USSR in an effort to increase ties between the Free French under de Gaulle and the Soviets. It was initially named simply Normandy, but later it was changed to reflect its part in efforts to liberate territory around the Yemen River in the Soviet Union. They flew the Yak 7 and Yak 9 before converting to the Yak 3, and the last 99 of its 273 confirmed aerial kills were scored in Yak 3s. And that was in 1957 onwards. Even in the early 1960s, 63, 64, a squadron of Buchons was flying with North American T-6 Texans in air policing work over the Sahara Desert, including counterinsurgency or coin sorties. Only then were they retired. Quite incredible to think that the F-109 derivatives was still operational with a major air arm as late as the mid-1960s. There's the first of the Buchons into land, the Aircraft Restoration Company example, flown by Air Marshal retired Cliff Spink, senior RAF officer of enormous renown. There's the second Buchon in. That's the newest restoration by Air Leasing for its owner, Anglia Aircraft Restorations. The Yaks loan, the first of those, the blue one, white 100 is the code. Operated by Air Leasing, also for its owner, Mark Bailey. There's the second one, being flown by its owner,
the super falling cliff in
Memorial flight. Just while we have a moment, a quick note to say that unfortunately we lost the two Buchons rods from today's display due to the slightly brisk crosswind. Those would go to the aircraft on today's demonstration badly affected by the crosswind. Very, very safe aircraft. While the next item makes its way to us, a reminder that the Meet the Authors marquee, very close to Duxford's control tower, remains open. And at 3 o'clock, James Holland, historian, broadcaster and author of RAF 100, The Official Story, is having his third session of the day there. Excellent opportunity to meet James from whom we heard earlier on. And he was there